Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to Studying Forex. So today we are going to be looking at something very interesting. So now I want to show you what is going to happen on the GBPUSD today when the New York comes up. New York session, I mean the New York session. So quickly, let's just look at something. This is the Asian session, that ranged from yesterday into today, and now we are in the London session. So quickly, here we have liquidity resting above these two high, and then inside of this box we have the supply order block. This is the supply order block. So let me get this. So we have the supply order block there, then we have demand order block here. This is the demand candlestick and this is the supply candlestick. This, so we are looking to see price go above here to mitigate their unmitigated positions. And why is that going to happen? Is because we have liquidity below this point here to this point here is liquidity, and they won't quickly rush to take it. So they will fake out, go over here, and then turn back to clear it into this order block, this demand order block zone. So why that is going to happen is because, one, they want to still continue pushing the market upwards, and they cannot push the market upwards if there are no liquidity resting above. So when they push this market, like this candlestick you are seeing, this one is going to rally up into the zone. Then when it gets to this zone, it's going to stop and make a reversal back down, clearing out these two liquidity, clearing it down into this demand order block, then before we see price rally up again in full force. So guys, this is just a snippet of what is going to happen today. I've just given you a clue. If you want to grow your account, you want to do well in Forex, you want to become expertise or whatever you call it in this field, then so guys, this is exactly the market structure I took advantage of and made $24,909 in 15 minutes. And here is the trades I took and as well as the profits coach in Forex trading. So do well to subscribe and make sure to comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next episode and stay blessed. Yes, stay blessed and do well to subscribe and like this video, and as well as comment if you find anything interesting or confusing. I'm going to attend to your comments and as well as teach you to the fullest. So thank you guys and see you in the next video.